I heard their gentle melodies unfold. Nature's embrace, a symphony so bold. Play with care among the ancient trees. They watch over you with whispered ease, as singing rivers harmonize your soul. Free your mind and listen to the river's call. Their healing songs will catch you when you fall. Our haven waits to welcome you back home. Wrapped in comfort, soft as feathers blown. Make this sanctuary truly yours. Where singing rivers open nature's doors. Take a breath where crystal waters flow. Float gently in the soothing, cool embrace. Find tranquility in this sacred space. Feelings you've never known before will grow, as waterfalls cascade from heights above, and mountains reach to touch the sky with love. See the world from peaceful heights. Walk through misty gardens green. Stroll along untouched shores. Find yourself in solitude serene. Yet know we stand beside you still, as you discover wonders that your will. Gentle massages and herbal remedies divine transport your spirit to a realm sublime. Linger there as moments stretch to hours, while singing rivers lend their subtle powers. From mountain top to valley, stream below. Find inner peace wherever you may go. Bring your stories, bring your dreams. Play your part in nature's grand design. Victory awaits in this playground pure. We'll be your partner, steadfast and sure. Singing together like the rivers flow. With singing river